Hi, I'm going to grate up some soap. I had these, I called them Better Than Grandma's. And then this was Grandma's. But I'd like to make them into the right size bars because they're not proper. So I'm going to grate them up and I'm going to put them in the crock pot. So I shall turn on my crock pot. Bring you in here and watch what's going on. So here's my crock pot, and I need my grater. Here's my grater. Oh, here it is over here. Okay, so I'm gonna, I guess I'll just grate it up right into the crock pot. That would probably be the easiest. These are very dry. This is just tallow, rainwater, and lye. My kitty cat is playing. This is Better Than Grandma's. I added a little coconut and grapeseed to it. I like doing this. I like the way they curl. See how they curl up? See how they sink down? Don't they look neat? I'm never in a hurry to finish the process. I like the process. The process is what's fun. Look at how they settle. Isn't that neat? They move very slowly. they beautiful? They're so smooth. They're so pretty.